So today we're looking at how you can set up app time limits on your Mac. This so if you only want to spend a certain amount of time on an application that you get lost in, or like a game or something, you can just set a time limit on that and it's simple. So all we want to do first of all is go to System Preferences. Now once we're in System Preferences, we want to look for Screen Time. Click Screen Time, and then on the left hand side near the bottom you're going to see App Time Limits. Then once you're here, you're going to want to just click the plus, and we're going to want to find whatever app it is that's like causing us the problem, if you will, or what we want to set a limit on. So I'm just going to select a game here. We're just going to select games in general, and we're going to say we want to limit ourselves to, like, I don't know, 2 hours a day on these games. And we can even set up different time limits for different days of the week. So on weekends when we don't have work or something, we can set up longer limits or not even have them on for that day. So first of all, we're just going to click every day at 2 hours. I'm just going to click done. As you can see here, now there is our time limit set for games, and all we have to do is leave that turned on. Make sure that button says turn off and the app limit says on, so it's done. But you can also do this for separate applications. If you noticed in there, in games, the Mac doesn't always categorize everything properly unless it's from like the Mac App Store. So for example, I have Steam installed on this computer, which is the computer game marketplace and launch application. So we could also select that, and we could also maybe put that on an hour as well. Once we've also set our limits, we can also edit them just by clicking on them and clicking edit. And we can also edit the apps in the category for this particular one. So let's say we just didn't want to have games and we just wanted to say limit chess. We can do that as well. And if you want to delete one, all you have to do is click on it, click the minus symbol, like so. So that is how you set up app time limits on your Mac. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.